Welcome to Data Servicer YouTube channel. I'm thanking for this day and wishing you all the best for what you do today and in future. In this video, international stocks or companies that are being held by Indian mutual funds will be discussed, and we will also be providing the details of those mutual funds. Let's get into the video. Even though if we get better returns from international stocks, we won't be getting our full returns when we do the investing from India. While on redeeming, we will be asked to pay the AMC annual maintenance charges, currency conversion fee and also other hidden charges, and finally we will be getting very low percentage of return when compared to actual. If you want an alternate path or method, you can choose the way of investing into the international stocks through mutual funds. We are aware that there are 750 plus mutual funds available and 40 plus mutual funds that invest in foreign stocks. From our analysis, we have found that there are total of 1503 companies that are being involved in these 750 plus mutual funds, and these companies are allotted based on the respective funds benchmark. Out of 1503 companies, around 369 companies are international companies. Let's see some of the top companies that are being held by mutual funds. I mean the word top with respect to number of times that the respective company has been held. The first stock or company that we are going to see is Microsoft Corporation. So this company has been held by 19 mutual funds, and these are all the list of mutual funds that Microsoft Corporation has been held. The second company or stock that we're going to see is Alphabet Incorporation Class A, that is Google. This has been held by 15 mutual funds, and here is the list of those mutual funds. The next stock is Amazon.com Incorporation. This has been held by 12 mutual funds, and the list of the mutual funds are below. The next stock is Nvidia Corporation. This has been held by 10 mutual funds, and here is the list. The next one is Facebook. This has been held by 10 mutual funds, and here is the list. The next stock that we're going to see is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. Limited. This has been held by 7 mutual funds, and here is the list. The next company is Thermo Fisher Scientific Incorporation. This has been held by 7 mutual funds, and here is the list. The next stock is Adobe System Incorporation. This has been held by 6 mutual funds, and the list are The next stock is Comcast Corporation. This has been held by 6 mutual funds, and the list of those mutual funds are below. The last company among the top 10 is Intel Corporation. This has been held by 6 mutual funds, and here is the list. Other than this, we have some stocks, and we are well familiar with these names. Those stocks are Apple Incorporation. It has been held by 5 mutual funds. Netflix Incorporation. This has also been held by 5 mutual funds. Visa, Pfizer, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Starbucks, Tesla Motors, and many more. I believe that these data are informative. Hope you have got an overview of how and what are all the mutual funds that holds these international companies so far. That's it I have for this video. I'll come up with another interesting information related to mutual funds, stocks, and trading. Comment us below if you have missed anything important or if you need to discuss on any particular companies or funds related data. We are happy to provide you the necessary data and insights for the same. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, and LinkedIn for frequent updates. Thank you for watching. Stay notified and stay subscribed for more data.